Right now, I'm 4 months in, I'm getting 70 cents, and I'm seeing a lot of videos, this and that and this, talking about, oh man, people don't pay you that much getting out of school or trucking school or whatever. Yeah, they do. What's up, everyone? This is RC. This is Trucking with RC. This is my first vlog ever with the trucking land, doing my OTR movements and interstate, doing local and everything. I've been trucking for going on 4 months now. The money's good. Everything's good. It's just, boring here and there. I'm watching everybody else's videos, and I see that they talk about this, they talk about that, but they don't really get to the nitty gritty of what's really going on. The boredom, the not being at home, out on the road a lot. I found myself going to school. I got my license, or I got my permit before January 7th, before the new law passed. I hurried up and rushed in there. I kept telling myself, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it for years. And hey, I finally did it, and I'm here. Let's get to the nitty gritty with it. It's cool and all. It's ups and downs. I appreciate the work. This is more money that you'll make other than McDonald's, being some sales rep, or doing all types of other little jobs. You don't need a degree or anything like that. So I had to hurry up and get in before January 7th, because I didn't want to pay the extra money and do the little extra schooling and stuff like that. So I'm here now. It's been about 4 months, and I guess I am blessed. Because I'm not with companies that's paying me 50 cents, 60 cents. I'm with company. I guess I'm blessed because I'm not with companies that's paying less than 70 cents. 50 cents. I only had my license for 4 months. I went to school. When I went to school, it was about 2.5 weeks of schooling with my permit. Then I actually got my license within 2.5 weeks. For some people it takes longer, some people take less. I don't know. Depends on how you drive and your ability to understand stuff even faster than normal, I guess. I don't know. But like I was saying, I was blessed with friends that had jobs that they was able to get me into, and I was able to climb the ranks a little bit faster than I normal. I should say, because usually when you like 3 months in, 4 months in, you get small pay. You don't get that much pay at all, and you're out there for freaking weeks. So the job that I have right now, I choose whenever I want to go OTR. I do some locals. I got a couple of companies I work for. It's not just one company. I'm not signed to nobody. And I get 70 cents a mile. So that being said, 70 cents a blessing. I'm hearing, but I'm used to money. I have my own company. I do marketing and advertising, and you can check my other stuff out. Real Cash ENT on Instagram and on Facebook. I got music videos also. I do music, so on my other channels you can see me doing some music videos. But besides that, I was able to get in the game 70 cents a mile, and I could choose my own schedule. Do I like staying out for weeks? No, I don't. I really don't. It gets boring to me. Like I said, the money's good. $2,000 between $2,000 and $2,500, depending on where I'm going. I'm OTR, so I'm all around the United States right now. My background is I'm used to money already, so being in fact $2,000 a week, it was cool for me to do. I don't gotta sit at home job or sit at a desk in some big ass office. Excuse that, I'm gonna bleep that out. But I don't gotta wear no tuxedos, suits, and none of that stuff like that to get the money that I really want in life. Now, as far as the grind, yo, this is a crazy grind, man. The grind is crazy. You gotta stick it out. You know, being on the road 24/7, teammates, sometimes solo. Well, the company I work for right now, when I go OTR, I'm with a teammate. I'm actually at the Love stop right now. I just got out the shower, and he went to go do his. You know, I got a layover right now. We got a layover right now, so we just chilling. You know, so I decided to make my first blog and keep track of me right now, 4 months, and see where it goes after 4 months. You know, my progress throughout the months or, you know, years I'm gonna be trucking. I do not have that drive to stay from my house. I have a baby and a girl. I don't want to stay for months, you know. But that being said, if I did stay for months out, weeks out, hey man, look, there's a lot of money. There's so much freaking money in this game. This is crazy, you know. That being said, it's boring, but the pay is good, and you just gotta stick it out. From what I'm seeing, just gotta stick it out. When I first started, I didn't have a trainer. I went through school, and my first company, I'm not gonna say their name, but she just threw me out there to the wolves. Yeah, she threw me out there to the wolves. I never drove a 53 footer, and I learned fast. You know, this job is for, you know, your learning ability. If you can learn fast, you can move fast. If you move fast, you can make a lot of money. I'm not talking about speeding. No, I'm talking about learning. You got to learn how to back up. If you don't learn how to back up, this job ain't for you. If you never progressing on backing up, it's not for you. You know, I was backing up in donuts way before I even drove a truck. You know, school, I should say. You know, I was dogging the school out. I went to school for a manual, but the school I was currently at, their manual was messed up. I couldn't take my CDL testing, and so I ended up taking my automatic test, and I gotta go back. So hopefully it's an update on that also. But you gotta grind, man. You gotta learn your equipment, I should say. I'm doing reefer, OTR with reefer. I don't want to do anything less because it doesn't really pay that much until I get my own truck or something like that. I'll probably do other things. But right now, I'm 4 months in, I'm getting 70 cents, and I'm seeing a lot of videos, this and that and this, talking about, oh man, people don't pay you that much getting out of school or trucking school or whatever. Yeah, they do. So the thing is, you can go to these Prime, Snyder's and all that, and most likely you're not going, 3-4 months, you're not going to get paid that much. There's not a lot of places except mom and pops. Now this is the free game I'm gonna give you. Go to mom and pops. Mom and pop trucking companies, they need people, you know. And if you can show your experience, hey man, look at you, and your gift of gab is good, man, you're gonna get it. Like I said, I was thrown to the wolves for my first company. I'm on my 3rd or 4th company now. Being thrown to the wolves, I had to learn on my own. And on top of that, she made me book my own schedules. Book my own appointments. I'm saying she made me call for my own appointments and learn a part of the game that I was not supposed to learn that fast, I should say. And being thrown to the wolves, man, it was just hard grinding. I didn't know how to do this, I didn't know how to do that. And like I said, I never even backed up a 53 footer in my life. So, and not having a trainer at all. But I found out I was learning more by myself, videos on YouTube and friends that's already in the game. I was learning a lot, and I progressed a lot, and I was able to show my other bosses that, like, you know, what I know and what I don't know, and that got me to where I'm at right now. Sometimes I do OTR by myself. I have over 40,000 miles within 4 months. Grinding. I'm grinding my ass off. It's lonely. Sometimes. I got a teammate. Sometimes, most of the time, but it gets really, really lonely and boring, I should say. But I love the money. Touching $2,000 a month. Touching $2,000 a week. I can do my own scheduling, and I'm on and I'm off whenever I want to. I don't gotta stay on the road unless I want to with my boss, and that's the enjoyment that I'm having right now, because I appreciate that. It's freaking good. Really don't got no complaints. Only complaint I have is about myself, because I know there's a lot of people out there that would love to be in my position, and I'm seeing a lot of videos and all that other stuff, about this and that. The grind, yeah, it's a grind. It's a grind, all right. And if you stick to it, there's a lot of money involved. Right now, I'm in Florida right now, Lakeview, Florida, or Lake City, Florida right now, and just enjoying my time. I'm watching a movie, eating, chilling, talking to people. Hit my girl up, see how she's doing. And just chillaxing right now. I got some other runs I gotta make, and I'm gonna get back out here. I'm gonna do 2 weeks this time. Usually I do a week and I'm off a week, then I get back on a week. But I feel like, hey man, as long as you grind, you can succeed. And once you start seeing the money flow, it give you more motivation. And that's what I'm going through right now. I love the money. Like I said, I don't got no desk job. I don't wear no tuxedos, none of that. And I'm only 4 months in. Look it, I'm 4 months in, getting 70 cents a mile. And I'm not signing the contract. So a lot of people are like, oh no, you're lying and all that. No, I'm not lying. Send me a DM. I'll show you my stub statements, whatever, my mile statements, and all that stuff. But let's talk about when I was thrown to the wolves. When I was thrown to the wolves, I had to schedule and call for my own appointments. And you don't do that coming out of school, trucking school, first month out of trucking school, first couple of weeks, to tell you the truth. First week, you don't do that stuff with some companies. So I learned that, I learned that fast, and I was doing all types of stuff on my own behalf, because if I messed up, there wasn't nobody to go breathe on my neck and make me mad, or teammates saying this and that. So it was kind of a good treatment for myself. Besides that, I actually got with another company. That company was a good company. It didn't last long. It was just here and there stuff for 65 cents, 60 cents. Another blessing that I had coming straight from trucking school, and then another company had me. So this other company, I actually got flown to Texas and pick up a truck, all that stuff, and took a partnership, and it was a tragedy. I wasn't ready to take partnership. Two months with my CDL, 2 or 3 months with my CDL, I wasn't ready to take partnership, so I kind of blew that off. Didn't want it because gas. I had to pay a lot of gas. We was going half on this, half on that, half on loads. And then it got to a point, well, I'm questioning how much the loads was and how much I was supposed to get paid. So I never seen any recons or anything like that. So I didn't believe the worth of the loads, because prior jobs I had, I kind of knew what the loads was worth. And it was just a number being told to me. So I scratched that and just told the guy, give me a 70 cent mile. And we got in an argument, this and that. Oh no, you only gonna get 55, this and this and that and that. I couldn't do it. And he still let me drive for him. So I cut the partnership off and just took my 70 cent a mile. With this partner, it was hard to get paid. It was just one day they wanted me to come back. I was doing the 5, and from the Bay Area, they wanted me to come back, and they wanted me to come back and get a gas card. So I was like, well, since I'm coming back, can I get a check? Because I've been out on the road for 2.5 days, and because they was running me, hey man, where do you want to go? I'll just take you there, and they was doing it good. I was running, but when it got to that payment, it was just crazy. I had to ask this guy, that guy, that guy for payment, and it was too much to get paid. So I learned that, hey man, it's not for me with y'all. I got my money, then I shook. And then I came to this company that I'm at right now. My friend put me on this company, just like how you put me on the other companies. You know, if you're connected, use your connections in this industry. It'll take you far. Excuse my quality. I'm gonna light in here. It will take you far. But that being said, you know, I feel blessed right now because I'm able to make this money, and you know, I would say you living the dream because I get to see different places. I didn't travel more places than I ever traveled in my life. I mean, I'm seeing all types of different stuff right now, and I'm enjoying it, you know. Besides that, this is my first vlog. I will be doing another after this. I'm RC. Hope you enjoyed my little knowledge of the little grind that I'm going through right now. Like I said, 4 months, I'm at the 40K mark because I've been grinding. I've been grinding my butt off. You know, some people want you to change logs, this and that, pass scales. I learned the hard way. And by me learning the hard way, I regret some things. Then again, I don't regret some things because I have knowledge now, and I know what to do and I know what not to do. And some of y'all asking, well, how do you hit the 40K mark? Well, I just told you right now. I'm not about to tell myself, but I just told you, you know. And that was with these mom and pop companies, you know, that will pay you to do a lot. They will pay you to do a lot. And me coming straight from trucking school, I didn't know no better until I was told. So y'all stay on the grind. Thanks for watching my first video. Please do like, subscribe. I will hit you with another video after this video about the process that I took to actually obtain my CDL and my permit, and what it takes to succeed in this business that I'm doing right now as a company driver, but for a mom and pop's company. You know, there's benefits to a lot of stuff that you do in life, you know, and I feel like this one right here for me is working good for me instead of doing that big time company. But on my next video, I'll get into detail. Thank you for enjoying my video. I'm Real Cash. Peace out.